sila. Na maraming langaw nang dumapo dito.
Erika Rachel, babalik daw sila sa lunch.
Lunch na yun.
Dito tayo sa fried rice.
They make?
Yeah.
Or is there, do we use this one?
Ayun man.
The rice is over there. The rice cooker is just... fried rice done.
You want to?
Wait, oh, we have fried rice.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, so we don't need this rice.
Gusto mo na gusto. Antayan mo nang.
Mga nen manong, ti pangaldaw, pangrabiin.
Oh, mahal daw.
Mangaldawin.
Buwan.
Mon.
Antayon. Ayun na. Pinapoy
Naimas ka. Beef steak ka na ito ni kinirog. Naimas ka. Naimas.
oh, may arostado pa nga din.
Oh. Wala, camping-camping pa more.
Marami na.
Oh, luto.
Ang tawag
Kain.
yung
repeat.
It's eating there, guys. Eating for lunch. Look at that. Anong oras na kami nakatulog, guys, kagabi? Almost 4 a.m. Grabe, no? Enjoy. First camping. My kid's sleeping there. Tired pa, guys. Need to rest a bit. Nap.
Oh, yeah, she was supposed to come, but Karen didn't let her go for it. She's my best friend since,
Mga gamit namin nasa labas pa. Pinapaaraw ko pa. Oh. Para maganda yung amoy ng mga unan. Alright.